circle. I already had basic, so you already never had. Ooh, this circle. Oh, what's a circle sponge? What's a circle sponge? That's a circle sponge. Oh, it's ice. It's not a sponge. It's grassy. What was that? I needed to buy a better sponge, so I'm gonna go like just one on each side. That's gonna be a different one, cause I wasted my money on the circle sponge. How much more do I, 1, 2, 1, 4, yeah, 4. Need 4. Go. Now, just one more. Ooh, I'm already gonna, no. No. Oh, I already put it. So, yeah, I was gonna roll it already. I already had it. Ooh, bubble gum. I want bubble gum, so. Gimme. Thank you. 1, 2. Hey, I'ma sell you. It's perfect. It's the perfect one. It has like, I love it. You too, welcome, more keycap. New keycap. What happened? I was angry at that. And I don't feel like I want bubblegum anymore. Nope. No. I do not want to, please give me the lucky days. What was that? No. Let me look. Watermelon. I like the watermelon. Sorry, my mom was talking. Ooh. I want another dance. Get it! Just give me one. Gimme. Give me. Brass. Nope. Nope. That's my keyboard for one. So this is the normal one without any soap. This is with the basic soap. This is the mint one. This is the chocolate. This is the ice water. I mean, this is the chocolate water. Bubblegum grass. Bubblegum. Get it! I don't want to do this. Okay, I will. What do I need for the next rebirth? No. Brother, what was that? Go. Now back to reality. There goes gravity. Nope. Nope. Stop giving me the basic soap. I'm gonna freak out if I get the basic soap. I'm gonna end the video if I get it again.